Imran is open the account with the single. That brings Javed into strike now. One of the very good striker of the ball. Very strong hitter of the ball. Facing his first delivery. Ranjit is bowling away from us with the short run up. Right arm over the wicket to Javed. Javed this time chipped that one just over the infield. Will it go to clear the boundary? One bounce over the row for 4 runs. Effortlessly played there by Javed. All that we can see as the bottom man comes into play. Looks like when he was taken aerial look, it was definitely going to be a chance here of the fielder, but he's played that one straight as an arrow over the head of the bowler. And one bounce over the rough. Such a useful cricketing strokes in the power play overs. When we can see the only 2 fielders outside the circle. This is a perfect placement there from Javed to get the boundary. And score jumped into 5 on the board. Now Ranjit changing a field here. Now mid off going towards extra cover. That widest long off coming towards straight long off region. After seeing Javed hit that one very straight. Very interesting field set. Ranjit again back to his bowling mark. Very talented bowler for the side of NFC Rua. Bowling away from us. Right arm over the wicket. Appeal for leg before wicket. In fact, outside the line of off stamp. No doubt at all. One more addition to total in the form of leg by Javed. Crossed over. That brings Imran back into strike now. 6 without loss of any wicket here in over number first in progress. A good contest, good battle between very good teams. NFC versus KFC. Again, right arm over the wicket. Bowls. Imran again not really coming to the line. Tried to play the off drive. Missed the line completely. The quicker delivery there here from Ranjit. Sometimes he surprised the batsman with the pace. And 6 for without loss of any wicket. Here is again Ranjit. Right arm over the wicket. Balls and Imran lofted over. The fielder is there. Not there actually. The mid on, the long on, I think it's inside the ring. The mid wicket is there. And before the mid-wicket fielder, and of course the short mid-on fielder, Anush to run back to collect the ball down at deep wide-ish long on. Batsman got ample time to complete that couple of runs. The intention is very clear from the 2 opening batsmen. They definitely want to take advantage of that power play, the fielding restriction condition. Even they are not really thinking about who the bowling against them. They wanted to play some big shots straight away. Imran went for the reverse sweep. I think it was a slower one. Change of pace that Imran couldn't manage to read. But line is pretty good to play the reverse sweep in the occasion. But fact that it was a slower one, is Imran couldn't manage to pick that one. And first over completed. A good start given there by the opening batsmen of KFC Krishnapura. They are 8 without loss of any wicket, a completion of 1 over. Looks like NFC Urva having some lack of bowling department. You are not really seeing Neetu. And Prajvit, I think, is not playing in this playing 11. Both are represented for the first match. But there looks like in this match they're missing. And, that might be a little bit big blow for NFC Urva in the bowling department. But still they got some potential in the bowling department. They got some young talented bowlers in the side. Tilak is the bowler. Bowling from the far end, Syndicate Bank end. Right arm over the wicket to Javed. Javed across the line. Wanted to hit the ball towards onside region. Wicketkeeper missed the ball completely. White call by umpire. It's going to be a bonus run here for KFC Krishnapura. Already they crossed over for a double figure. 10 without loss of any wicket in just 6 deliveries. Tilak starts with a wide ball. So 10 already on the board for KFC Krishnapura. Again, a second wide of this over. Bowler straight away is feeling the pressure because it's not an easy job whenever bowling in the power play overs. Seeing the batsman going for the big shot. Third wide. And this time again it's a 1+1. Wicketkeeper not looks like that much of comfortable behind the wicket. Even the wide ball, he need to stop the ball, stop the runs. But again, it was already 5 runs conceded without bowling a single delivery. It was definitely going to be a big mistake from the bowler Tilak. 13 without loss of any wicket. Tilak once again struggling. This time a straight to the sub shot mid wicket, and the fielder missed that golden opportunity. Pramod, the jersey number 44 at mid wicket, missed out straightforward chances. He came in place of Prajwit. Pramod again looking for the big shot. Again the wicket keeper and the short fine like fielder even not quick enough to stop the single by call by umpire. Again wicket keeper missed the ball completely. One more addition to total 15 now without loss of any wicket. Good score on the board here for KFC Krishnapura. Tilak balls. Really, the wicketkeeper behind the stump, not that much of impressive, isn't it? The person now is not happy with himself. He is just sacrificing his place to Ranjit and is going to that mid-wicket region. And what could be a sudden two dotted deliveries in this over because of wicketkeeper mistakes. They got some runs, KFC Krishnapura. 16 without loss of any wicket. This time, ball is in there. Chance here for the mid-off-fielder. Indy takes it comfortably. In the end, the Imran's innings is comes in and the partnership is just broken there by Tilak. After he's got some shackling start, wide ball, some wide deliveries, 3 wide deliveries. Then Tilak back very strongly with some good line and length as Imran tried to hit that little short pitch delivery. Moving from the short pitch length and the batsman mistiming that bounce of the delivery, mistimed it. And ballooning up in the air and the comfortable catch has been taken in the mid-off. Now it's the right time for NFC Urva to tighten up the screws. The 16 without loss of any wicket. Just a second over in progress. The power play is going on. Toif, the hero of previous match, is slowly walking towards the middle. Batted well, bowled well. With the jersey number 13, he's in non-striker end because strikes are rotated as Javed facing next delivery. Right arm over the wicket and Tilak bowls that delivery. A misfield, poor piece of fielding. Ball running down to deep, long on bind. You need to say thanks to the dog instead, isn't it? What could be a sudden boundary? And because of the ball hitting the dog, who is relaxing there in the deep long on region, hitting the dog and I think more than anything else, Anush need to say thanks to that dog because preventing that 2 runs. 18 on the board. This time Javed quite beautifully played that one down to deep cover boundary and before the fielder from extra cover region to collect the ball just a couple of yards inside the boundary line. They managed to complete that couple of runs. Good looking stroke there from Javed in this match. Is looking pretty good. And getting some runs from his bat as well. 20 for the loss of 1 wicket, 2 overs completed. KFC Krishnapura, they got a very healthy run rate. 10 runs per over. They're scoring the run. And they got now 4 overs to spare. Wait and see how many runs they will going to score. But NFC Urva, they need to put some break on the run rate. Of course, a little bit excuse in that power play overs. When there was a restriction, always it was the batsman's dominating. And here also our batsmen are dominated at 2 overs, but now it's a fielding restriction is lifted. After that 2 overs, then Sandesh has got a ball in his hand. Where is it the kind of fielding set? And we can see now there's so many bodies out there in the deep. One at deep backward square like deep mid wicket is deep long on is that. The backward point going to deep backward point for the reverse sweep. There is no deep cover, but there was short cover. Now a short square leg fielder coming to the backward point region. 1 at long off, 1 at long on. Altogether 5 men outside the circle, saving the boundaries. And altogether 5 men in the offside, 5 men in the onside and 4 men in the onside. Five men in the onside repercussion, 4 men in the offside region. Sandesh bowling with a short run up. Bowling right arm over the wicket. This time straight away Toif as usual, as getting the singles, rotating the strike quite easily. That's pushing the ball by playing that one through the line of the delivery. Picked up the single, then scoreboard moves on to 21 for the loss of 1 wicket. Sandesh asking that fielder from a deep third man to coming back into the deep backward point region. Guru is the fielder in the deep cover now. There is no deep backward point for Javed. Javed went for the reverse sweep. That was a really clever thinking there by the bowler. Ball that one little bit down the leg stump. So Javed has got no chance to play the reverse sweep. Again, beautifully bowled. Excellent delivery. Two different deliveries in the negation there from Sandesh. The Javed completely beaten in the negation. Sandesh away from us. Alright, I'm over the wicket balls. Javed lofted over. That was a clean hit. That was absolutely a clean hit there coming from the blade of Javed. Almost we can see that a sweet timing coming from the blade of Javed. Effortlessly played. I already mentioned he was one of the very good striker of the ball. Nothing wrong with the line of the delivery. Almost we can see that in replay. It was a little bit outside the line of off stamp and batsman hoisting it over towards the deep long on boundary. Over the deep long on boundary for a maximum. Reverse sweep comes into play, but lack of placement. But still they managed to get the single. Javed looking pretty good after a long time. I'm watching him. He's back to his form. He was out of form for some times, but is back into his form. The natural stroke making the batsman Javed again went for the big shot, but ball is going down the leg stump. Taif not having a contact with the bat. Leg by call by umpire. One more addition to total. The big over. Once again, it's a big over. 3 overs completed. KFC Krishnapura still they managed to get the runs and the good run rate, and they